I'm a bad little bitch and I'm snipped like a Barbie. Hips, lips, ass in a car.
3 bundles of 28-inch and 1 bundle of a 20-inch closure. Now right here, I'm just going to pin the closure down and put it in a ponytail and start to sew over and under and over and under. And when you're at the end, make a knot. When you make a knot, your closure or bundles are more secure.
And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often.
Cut the inside where the closure is so you can actually see the lace. It looks natural. Now you want to sew combs, 2 combs in the front and 1 in the back.
I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My body says.
Now you want to measure it from the back to the other back and pin it down and start to sew it.
I know you ain't gotta talk alright. I know you ain't gotta talk alright. Baby, I just wanna talk to you. Talk to you. Know this shit. Know this shit. Know what it is.
I really wanna go, but I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I really wanna stay. I really wanna go, but I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I really wanna stay. I really wanna go, but I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I really wanna stay. I really wanna go, but I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. I really wanna stay. I really wanna go, but I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I really wanna stay. I really wanna go, but I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together.
Push P. Yeah, push P. Turn me up. Turn me up, P. Pointers in the paddock, get my piece. A push a P.
Cop new hammers for my piece. We don't want no peace.
Got a spot at cross spot. Jeff for peas.
Drop the data, now we plotting inside the peas.
She not a lesbian. P, she turned lesbian.
Push P.
Push a P. On capital P, I write the president, count presidents.
Push P.
Portuguese on her knees, mopping down a P. She let me squeeze and she leave, cause she keep a P.
Private suite, privacy. Jump pushing P.
Purple paint, pink, push a P.
Push P.
Push a P.
Push P.
Push a P.
Yeah. Push P.
Push a P.
Push P.
Push a P.
Yeah.
Pop a P. I'm paranoid, I can't sleep, my pockets deep. Got rest on me, why they watching me? I'm
Push P.
Push a P.
Push P.
Push a P.
Yeah.
Touch it, bunch of pink. Okay, bought a P, not a pill of Porsche.
Push P.
3 P's, popcorn, Porsche.
Push P.
I just cup of water. Push a P, red bandana cartons. I'ma pee you out your endorsement. She ain't vanilla for me, she simply porcelain. I never saw ops, now we finally tussling. She ready to get in the streets for me, no questions. Too rich to text, I let my shorty forward it. Take the P at the alphabets, try to sort it. I'm pushing P,
Push P.
I'm pushing P,
Push P.
I'm pushing P, P.
Push P.
Push a P,
Push P.
push a P.
Yeah.
When we could be superstars, we've been rather wrecking cars. What is at stake for us? Kicking up corners. Yeah, we could be superstars,
Super ground.
but I'm pretty sure our time is up.
Now you teach
So we plan off the spinning drugs. Don't know, maybe for trial, but they gon' error.
Say you my nigga, I'ma be your killer. Nobody gonna play with you when I'm with you. Go against any nigga like fuck this glitter. Skeet all third on bitches. I put it in for you, I spin for you. Whatever you with, I'm with it. How you gon' cost a nigga I'm rockin' with you? I got you lit in the city. I been multitasking, rapping and being a daddy to my little children. I been spinning on business and spinning and spinning and spinning until I'm dizzy. I do all the smack, you ain't never step of help with none of you killin'. You doing a lot of capping, watch when I catch, I'ma whack in front of witness. Damn, I knew you were trippin'. We could've been superstars. Remember when we were checking cars? Now it's not safe for you. You switch like a pussy little bitch. Damn, I knew you trippin'. We could've been superstars. Up and now I'm reminiscing. Remember when we were checking cars? Now you better keep your distance, cause it's not safe for you. You switch like a pussy little bitch. Track hard with the kick, snatch off from the bitch. When I slide, nightlight on the blick. Bet I'm on my shit when I'm outside. So them ran down, caught them pants down. Nigga, you shitted. I knew the perk was fake, but I still ate it, cause I'm a criminal. Yeah, cut dope in KTV, that door wide open. Wait till my sniper get out. All you niggas gon' die. Time rolling, bustin' on my opponent, no how I'm stepping. Crush my arcs, totally wood, just broke, no motion. Sleeping on sofas, creeping in highs like roaches. I done went cage and stayed in the cage. Now free me, baby, can't keep me, baby. I beat them cases, they already hate me. They gon' want me dead when I'm on probation. Oh, y'all think Lil Yak retarded? Y'all ain't seen nothing yet, I promise. Niggas can't take me, niggas can't guard me. I be on the fuck nigga ass like Charmin, aka Twiggy Carvin. We could've been superstars. Remember when we were checking cars? Now it's not safe for you. You switch like a pussy little bitch. Damn, I knew you trippin'. We could've been superstars. Up and now I'm reminiscing. Remember when we were checking cars? Now you better keep your distance, cause it's not safe for you. You switch like a pussy little bitch. Track hard with the kicks.
The wig is finally done. I don't like this color job, so I'm going to actually fix it.
Down, call them pants down. Nigga, you shitted. I knew the bird was fake, but I still ate it, cause I'm a gremlin.
Yeah, we could be superstars, but I'm pretty sure our time is up. So we plan off the spinning drugs. Don't know, maybe for trial, but they gon' error.
I'm a bad little bitch and I'm snipped like a Barbie. Hips, lips, ass in a